Hey y'all, welcome to day 6 of organism. And today we have a new motor, a new running motor, and oh my gosh, this spins so much more smoothly than the old one. That guy, that's not good. So yeah, I found another Hammond M3 running motor on Fleabay, and we'll just kind of pop it in and see if it works. And yes, we'll be doing a terrible job of desoldering some wires today, because the iron does not heat up. Do it! Give me the wires, please. Pretty please, give me the wires. There we go. Oh yes, we have a new motor. Ringo, we have a new motor. Alrighty, she's in. Let's give her a little start. See if she runs this time. You know, that ain't promising. Wait, that is promising. Hello! Okay. Yes! Yeah, listen to her! She's dead silent. She doesn't hum anymore. It's great! I wonder what that's all about. Since it's just like a whole bunch of contacts underneath one key, if you push it down slowly, you can hear all the harmonics from the drawbars one at a time. It's just not getting to the bottom one. Yeah, but first I'm gonna work on the vibrato scanner. Alright, so I just did some troubleshooting on the vibrato scanner over here, and it's just coupled to the motor, just like stuck on the back. And this is what this thing looks like off the motor. See, you can see it back there. Here's just another one I've got lying around, and it spins, right? That one didn't do that. That's why it wasn't doing the whole vibrato thing. So I just had to open it up and oil it and clean it out, and that is fun. And now it makes all those amazing vibrato-y organ tones that we know from the Hammond organ. Now, I was doing some thinking, I know, dangerous, about that one key that had the lower harmonic that didn't work. And I kind of doubted that it was a bus bar since all the other keys work on like the entire organ. So I had a little poke around and found a loose wire back here that had popped off one of the connection points. So I just soldered it on, and now it works again. Also, I found this church organ oil, try saying that 3 times fast, for tone wheel generator organs. And you can get this online for like 10 bucks on eBay. And as it's been coursing through the veins of this old Hammond M3 organ, it's been rejuvenating it and giving it life. Everything's loosening up and getting quieter and smoother. And yeah, now it's really starting to run okay. That's the vibrato. I'll see you next time.